Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's very technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox another 2.1 mini desktop speaker. This is the one, and I like mini speakers because of the low space. I don't have much of a space. I have here the big amplifier right there, so except that I don't have much of a space. So I like this kind of small speakers. They sound like really crispy and beautiful, and it stays, you keep them close to your ears, so a very soothing sound, if that's a good quality speaker, of course. And also you can set them anywhere. Like you can see, this is a 2.1, but this is a total box packing. It's very small in size, so you can see that's from Esports, and it's GS160. That's the model number. It's a 2.1. You can see that's a subwoofer, and that's two are the channels, left and right. So let me tell you about the specs. Woofer has 10 watt and channel speakers has 3 watt per channel, so total 6 watt for two channels and 10 watt for subwoofer, so total would be like 16 watt, and 2.1 stereo, and connectivity USB DC 5 volt, so you don't need AC power supply, just connect it to your computer or laptop USB. That's it. And if you want to use it separately with your mobile or anything like that, then you can connect the USB to the USB mobile charger. That's it, you'll get the 5 volt supply. So here the price is like 2,499, month of import 2021. That's a huge price, like 2,500 almost. But I got this thing on Amazon for only 900 rupees. So you can go there and check out on Amazon. I'll get the link in the description below. So only 900. So that's a good price. Now let's open this thing and check out how it is actually and how it sounds. So let's open it up. Alright, so there's a game called Multimedia. Well, that's the one. I'll get the link in the description below. If you like to play cards, then you can go to the description of the video and you'll find the link of the Multimedia, and you can download that. And also you can earn real money from this game, and you can withdraw that money through UPI. So that's a very nice thing. If you want to play a game, you can play the game, or you can just share the game with all your friends. Then also you earn money. So you get the details right here. So do check my description, check out the link. So that's the main unit. It's completely wooden box, and that's a 3-inch subwoofer at the front with a nice design, and at the left side there is a air passing port, and all the connections on the right side. That's the output for the speakers, the volume and bass, and that's for power supply and audio input. So let's keep it here. Let's check the channels. That's one channel, like a 2-inch or maybe lesser than that speaker, and this thing is plastic, but it looks very nice. And this is another one, left and right channels. Well, let me tell you that I'm quite impressed with the design of this thing and the main subwoofer. The main design is like same on the speaker and here also, and there is a like design for a tweeter, but nothing is here. It's just a design. Only one speaker is right there. So now it's time to connect this thing to the PC, and let's check the sound. So as you can see here, I have connected the speakers, and the RGB light is here. You can see that's falling on the speaker cone, and also you can see the Esports logo is glowing right here. So this thing looks very nice. I am quite impressed with the design and the light. And also another thing is here, one red light is there that just a glow with the sound. When there is a sound, that thing glows, so you can see the red spot on the speaker cone. So now let's check some sounds and check the light, of course.
Thinking about better days. Do you ever get used to the pain? 'Cause I don't know if I can do this again. Now you got me wondering why you let me die alone inside.
So that's the normal sound of it. Well, I must say the volume is not that much loud, but it's okay. And that's the sound without the bass. Now I'm gonna turn the bass on so the subwoofer will work, and then you can hear the complete sound of it.
I cried for you. I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. Died for you. I cried for you. Tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding.
Well, as you can hear, the bass is also very good, and you can see the cone movement right here. Everything is at full, the volume and the bass, and the sound is quite good. But as the size of the speaker, it's also wooden, so I have expected some bigger driver, like at least 4-inch, then I'd get much better bass. But this is quite good, I must say. So let's check some more sounds.
I'ma break your neck. Yeah.